Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this particular video I'll be talking about the Quantum wallet where we are being given Sactum token. And in this video I'll be talking how you'll be able to download their latest app, how you'll be able to stake, and you'll be able to withdraw your active down to USD if you want to sell. I believe that a lot of us were happy when we were given free $900, yes, for just joining this particular, download this particular Quantum wallet, yeah, for not just referring anybody. Everybody was giving $900, and I believe everybody were happy, thinking, oh, free airdrop, free money has come, without knowing that there are going to be some criteria which you'll need to meet up with after that particular coin will be coming to life. And this is what I'll be sharing in this particular video, how you could actually get your Sactum. We are all given this particular one, which was Sactum token, and so how you be able, and this is the one that is listed currently, which is the active, which everybody is not having. So I'll be telling you this particular video, I'll be able to get your active token and be able to trade. So that's why you just need to watch that video to the end, so you'll be able to know everything which you need to do. So you just need to sit quietly and just watch. So the first thing you just need to know is that you need to download the new version of the app, yes. So on their Telegram group, they told us in this particular week that the Quantum wallet version 1.0.8 is official, because that's where you'll be able to do the staking and you'll be able to buy the active, which you'll be able to stake to get your active token. And one important thing is that it's available on for Android user and for also for iOS user, anyone you are using. And if you scroll down, in fact the APK file has been dropped there. If you're on their Telegram group, this is the APK version that you can just download and pre-install on your mobile phone. I tell you, these people are actually working about their plan, because this is what they say, that in Q2 that they'll be listed on DEX, not SEX now, like the Binance, the KuCoin, the Bigget, but they say they'll be listing on DEX. That is like the likes of Trust Wallet. I did a particular video on how you could actually have the smart contract of active token on Trust Wallet. Then later on, I'll also be doing a video on how to sell. Let's go to their roadmap. Let me show you that these people with what they are doing. So we'll be looking step by step on how we'll be able to convert our Satu down to the actor, because this is this particular one here that you can sell. This one I think is an exchange token, but this one is one that is listed that you can sell on Pancake Swap, because if we move up, you see that they say it is now live on Pancake Swap. You could see here that the active token fully listed on PancakeSwap, meaning you can sell on PancakeSwap, and PancakeSwap you can just get it on your Trust wallet. I'll be doing a later video. So let's go back. So the first one you just need to do is that this is a step by step. Number one, you just have to deposit USDT, BNB or Tron. The first one is that you need to know the amount of USDT to stake. So let me show you the amount of USDT or BNB or Tron you need to stake now. So now currently I am on their app and I'm in the staking section. You could see this is at the staking. For you to stake, so that you could unstake Atom every that you be giving Atom every 6 days. You have to stake a minimum of 50 active token, and it is 100 minimum of Tron, that is TRX, minimum of $10 USDT, and it's based on 6%. Let's check it and let's look at the amount it will cost us for 50 Atom token. And currently, because currently Atom is on the sale for around 0.35 cents, then multiply by 50. That means you'll be needing around 17.5 USDT. Let's just say 18 USDT, which you need to deposit for you to be able to buy the active that we are going to stake in this particular platform. So let's look at the next criteria now, so that we can know what to do. They say purchase active in Quantum wallet. So if you want to purchase this particular active in Quantum wallet, first of all, I told you must have updated your wallet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the bell notification so again. So you have to come to wallet section here. After you come to wallet section here, then you tap on this particular one that says C to C, just like P to P. So this is what you do. This is it you want to buy. So you choose the particular one that you want to buy with. Let's say I want to buy with USDT. So you tap on buy here. You tap on buy here. You type the amount of atom you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 50. You tap your 50 there. So you choose the currency you want to use to pay. You know this one is showing Tron. If you put it Tron, you can see it's showing Tron. Then you'll be able to get Tron. First, before you even do this one, you must have deposited your USDT. And for you to deposit your USDT, this is what you need to do. You need to come to this receive section here. You tap on it. You copy this your address here. You copy this address. Then you go to any of your sex exchange like Binance, KuCoin. You go and withdraw around. Just make sure it is around 18 USDT. This is for Tron. Sorry. And if you want to make it USDT, you just need to tap on USDT there. Then you tap on this your received. Okay, it's still the same. I think it's still the same address. And if you want to make it Tron, you tap on it and you copy it here. Then you just send around 100 Tron. And within few minutes, you see that it will get deposited in this particular place. So after you are done that you have your token in your wallet, that is when you can come to this your C2C that I was talking earlier on. So you tap on it. Now you now come and buy the atu token. Sorry, anything I'm pronouncing it now. So once you have found it, you say the number of USDT here, then you show the amount of atom that you get, then you tap on confirm. So once you have confirmed, the next step you have to do is to come down to staking. So you tap on this particular one here. That means you have gotten your atom, your active here, this one here, because you have bought. So what you have to do is to tap on join. After you tap on join, so you put the amount here. Let's say we want to use 50. So you tap on 50. Why is not showing? Because I'm not having atom. So I can, if you want to use, or you can tap on max and it will just, everything will appear there. Then you just tap on join. Once you tap on join, that means you have completed it. So on every 6 days, a share out of your coin will be given to you. So if you use actor that you stake, you could see they say you'll be getting 30%, you'll be getting 18%, and if you use USDT, you'll be getting. So I think the best one is just to use this active token, which I think is the best. So let's look at the next thing criteria we need to look at. Now they say participate in ATS smart trading. We have done that. So it says now, yeah, this is where I am, that Saturn is automatically unlocked as Atom in every 6 days. So every 6 days, they will unlock everything. They say support any amount of staking minimum. So the minimum should not be less than 50 Atom, which I've shown you on how to use. So can participate in multiple Atom. So you can do it multiple times. So it automatically unlocks 6% that you are having. So you have to just calculate the 6%. That's what you'll be getting every 6 months, and you'll be getting paid at 5 times in a month. That means it will be released to you 5 times in a month. So income formula. So look at this particular formula. Income is cost to unlock quantity plus current atom. So let's say for example you stake 1,000 active token at the price of, so at 6%, you'll be able to get 60. Yes, 60 every 14 hours, which is 6 days. So the amount unlocked each time is equal to the amount of sector destroyed. So that is how it is. So with that, once you have staked it, so on every 6 days, you'll be getting this action which you'll be able to sell. So I'll be doing another video where I'll share with you how you'll be able to sell this particular active token on Pancake Swap. So kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any comment, please kindly drop it in the description of the particular video. I will attend to every one of them. Thank you. Bye bye for now.